We're the co-founders of the Venom Era. I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Lizzie.
We're gonna open up one of our swimsuits. So you got a little butterfly moment on the top, super cute. You know we had to do it to him. A little Venom Era on the butt, you dig? A Lost Angel crop bikini. Have y'all ever seen a crop bikini before? If you have, say no. Anyways, please.
Hello.
Thank you. You know, you go to the fair and they make you like,
We went ahead and ordered some additional products.
Part of the order is our No Manners collection. We have some mini tees in here.
So it's a little follow your heart tee. It's kind of like your heart in phases, which I really like the idea of.
I designed this one and I'm very excited. Venom Era logo moment.
It says, popularity feeds the ego, purpose fills the soul. Then we have our little VE logo.
She's fine. She's just in her Venom Era. I choose myself. She's not choosing you. 2021. Come on, baby.
Yeah. Very excited about this one. It's a woman's world. Men just live in it.
Because, bitch, get it together. Obviously, the
main character
lost the plot if you thought anything different. Like, we're in an AT right now. We dump him, which I fully agree with.
You don't owe them shit.
Because you literally don't.
I just got a t-shirt version of her sweatshirt.
It's raining Venom Era. Hallelujah. Too far. Cut cameras.
Welcome to your Venom Era, baby.
No, say bitch.
Welcome to your Venom Era, bitch.
I was hoping she was gonna go more for like a welcome to your Venom Era, ya bitch.
Ya bitch.